Business etiquette is a set of manners and a combination of various behaviors that are accepted or required in a profession. This conduct is often upheld by custom and expectations that are enforced by the members of an organization implicitly or explicitly. Business etiquette is important because it creates a uniform, professional, and mutually respectful atmosphere and improves communication because people appear to be on the same team, which helps an office serve as a productive place. People feel better about their jobs when they follow organizational norms, feel respected, and that positive emotion translates into better customer relationships as well. Professionals who act unprofessionally, violate business etiquette, are considered offensive. The personal and professional penalty for such inappropriate behavior frequently lies in the disapproval of other organizational leaders and members. Here are some business etiquette areas to examine and maybe make some modifications in your manners. How do you treat clients or customers, whether in your office or at their location? How do you treat your coworkers and supervisor when in person or from remote locations? How do you conduct yourself in a conference room or cubicle or an office? How do you conduct yourself during meetings, or does it depend on who's attending? What kind of email messages do you send? Are they clear and concise, or are they full of gobbledygook? Do you follow a dress code and wear appropriate business attire? How do you conduct yourself in the break room, the lunchroom, or the lobby? How do you conduct yourself during business-sponsored social and networking events? How do you conduct yourself on the telephone or your cell phone? I always ask my audience members to discuss and share stories with their table partners about the amazing, the good, the bad, and the awful examples of business etiquette they may have experienced. And then I ask them to jot down in their handout one thing they will do or say in the future, or certainly will never do or say again. Minor adjustments in business etiquette in each of these areas can have a significant impact on how your employees, your organization, and your industry are perceived.